Over the past year, I've slowly turned my kitchen into a fully functioning smart space. And after months of trial and error, automating routines, testing devices, and figuring out what's actually worth it, I've landed on a setup that genuinely makes life easier, especially when you're cooking, entertaining, or just trying to save time. Here's everything I've learned and the 8 devices that now make my kitchen feel like it's from the future. Coesore Smart Air Fryer. This was the first smart kitchen gadget I bought, and still one of the best. It connects to an app that lets me preheat from the couch, start and stop cooking remotely, and save custom cook times for meals I make regularly. I've got a weekday dinner routine that triggers this at 6:15 p.m., and I don't even have to think about it. It's honestly helped me cook more often because it makes it effortless. Echo Show 8 3rd Gen. This sits right on the kitchen counter, and I use it constantly, whether it's watching YouTube while cooking, pulling up step-by-step recipes, controlling devices with my voice, or setting multiple timers. Sometimes I'll ask Alexa to start the coffee, dim the lights, and set a 20-minute timer, all in one breath. Plus, it's great for calling someone while you cook, or just playing music while prepping dinner. Tapo Smart Bulbs, Warm White. Lighting in the kitchen is often overlooked, but it makes a huge difference. I've installed warm white smart bulbs to give the space a softer glow at night and a brighter daylight tone during the morning or food prep. They turn on automatically with motion after dark, and I've got a voice command that sets them to dinner mode, dimmed and warm for evenings. Affordable, flexible, and totally worth it. Kasa Smart Plug. This one's powering my coffee machine. Every morning at 6:30, it turns on automatically so my machine is hot and ready before I even step foot in the kitchen. You can also hook this up to a kettle, a toaster, or even a slow cooker. Anything that benefits from a routine or remote control. Super useful for automating the stuff you use every day. Govee LED light strips. I installed these underneath my upper cabinets and along the toe kicks. During the day, they're set to bright white to help with cooking. At night, they dim down into an ambient orange or soft blue. They can even pulse with music when friends are over, which is a fun bonus. They make the kitchen feel modern, warm, and surprisingly cozy, especially in the evening. Amazon Smart Thermostat. My kitchen gets hot fast when I cook, and I noticed it would stay warm long after I was done. Now I've set this thermostat to automatically drop the temperature when the air fryer or oven's running, and then slowly bring it back up when I'm done. It's subtle, but it keeps the space way more comfortable, especially in summer. Aqara Motion Sensor P1. At night, I don't want to fumble around for light switches. This motion sensor is placed just near the kitchen entrance. When I walk past, the lights fade on gently, not too bright, just enough to see. They turn off automatically after I leave. It's the kind of upgrade you don't notice at first, until you can't live without it. SwitchBot Hub 2. This is what ties it all together. With this hub, I've created entire kitchen routines that trigger multiple actions at once. For example, when I say start dinner, the lights shift to warm, the air fryer preheats, and the speaker starts playing lo-fi beats. It also connects older kitchen appliances that use IR remotes, like my fan, and bridges everything with Alexa. It's the brains of the operation. So that's my full smart kitchen setup after 1 year. It's not just about flashy gadgets, it's about building routines that save time, simplify your day, and make your space feel more intuitive. All the products I use are linked in the description. And if you've added anything smart to your kitchen that you love, let me know in the comments. I'm always looking to upgrade.